Ballad by Lionheart. Tips and Tricks, Everyday Song by Helen Najar. Some logs tell the story of where you have sailed. Others decide where you are allowed to go. Not every threat comes through a screen. Some arrive quietly in your name. Identity theft is not dramatic. It does not flash red warnings. It opens accounts, takes loans, builds debt under a name that isn't there to defend itself. This is why we anchor the logs. There are 3 record keepers in these waters: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. They track your credit history, loans, credits, behavior. They shape what you can borrow, where you can live, how you move financially. And here is the part many people don't realize. You can freeze your credit, not your credit cards. Your credit files. Do not confuse the two. And you can do it for free with all 3 bureaus. A credit freeze does not harm your score. It does not lower your standing. It locks the gate. No new accounts open unless you unlock it. Lower the harbor chains. Ships may approach, but none dock without your command. Need a card, financing a car, applying for a mortgage. Lift the freeze, then anchor it again. A fraud alert signals caution, but a freeze is stronger, quieter, firm. This is not about fear, it's about ownership, about lifting your shield. You secured your inbox, you guarded your passwords, you fortified your dock. You added the security key. Now you protect the record of who you are. Your name isn't just data, it's your history, your labor, your future movement. Anchor the logs. Lock what must be locked. Review them once a year. Know what is written under your name. If you want the steps written clearly, the cyber scroll rests on GitHub, steady and waiting whenever you need to review the record. Some logs tells the story of where you have sailed. Others decide where you are allowed to go. Anchor them well.